It's your boy. You hear me? Shaq Diesel. And I'm back with another video. Alright, this is what we're working on today, man. How to do this damn car, this doggone car. Been around since 2008. Y'all know I ain't do a tune-up on it. I'm on the type of guys, if it ain't broke, it don't need fixing. That's the type of dude I am, right? But today, I'm gonna go and change these spark plugs and wires on the 06 Impala because they're doing a little funny jerks and stuff and like that, and I know that's a sign of spark plugs and wires, and also seeing some corrosion on the wire. That means they need replacing. So this is a how to do a 2006 Chevy Impala, how to change spark plugs and wires. So this how they look. You can see the little corrosion, and when you see that whiteness like that, that's a sign of corrosion. So they already know, but I see 2, 4, 6. But the proper way, my dad taught me, and my brothers, is to take them off at one at a time. And there's the scribble, I guess, what they call it. What you know, y'all know it ain't the scribble, but it's what a we use the term scribble because it still do the same thing. That's where the main fire go to. And what we're gonna do is take this cap off first by removing the oil cap. Put that to the side somewhere. And then we're gonna pull this plastic piece off. Since we got a little young man out here playing, we ain't gonna leave it on the ground because he might step on it and break it. So I just put it on top of the hood, out the way. Seemed like a quick, easy fix. My first time ever doing it on this car. Should be. I ain't gotta remove the mounts and all that stuff I seen on an old video. So we're gonna, let me see what other plugs at before I even get started. Yeah, I wanna get started. And the plugs in a place I can't get to. Okay, I can get to them. I can get to them back there. We're gonna get started, man. Gonna take these plugs out and start changing these wires. What I'm gonna use only is this 5/8 spark plug ratchet. And the ones in the front, I'm not gonna use that. I'm gonna break them loose with this. Then I might use that to zip them on out. If that makes sense to y'all. Not all the way. Tim, you got the plugs out too? The wires? Wires?
I'm saying like, what are you talking about, bro? What wires?
Spark plug wire, man. Tell the camera you don't know what they look like. Let's say it. Okay. These plugs right there. Alright, yeah, we're gonna you need a 15mm socket, 15mm wrench. We're gonna move these mount bolts on both sides to give us a little room in the back. Give us a little room back there. Man, maybe I need to go charge my impact up. To the side like that. I just dropped my wrench. Did it go to the ground? Man, every time I drop my wrench, I don't ever find it. You see that? Right, back, man, back. Found my damn 15mm filler in the bumper somewhere. But we got it back, so back to work. This time I ain't gonna try to lose it. I ain't gonna drop it this time. Shoot. Wow, I dropped the last time like that then.
Yep.
Alright, the mounts are loose. So now I'm gonna need some new mounts because this bush is gone. So we just want to get this out the way so this motor can slide forward a little bit. Like that. I can get to the back of it and get started. I ain't gonna bring y'all back here because my hand's so big and I'm gonna be fighting for a long time. I'm just letting the video last that long. What is the screwdriver? That was on the back seat. This one on the back
That's
seat?
one that was in this.
I thought it was flathead, but we'll see what it works. Oh, you can shine the light back here. Alright, you gotta remove this. You see it. You gotta remove this to get the spark plug out. These safety ties been in here forever, so you have to fight with them, bro. Yeah, like I said, they've been on here forever. Might have to push that down and out. Anything. It's hard to do it in this little tight motor, man. Alright, we'll just get back with y'all in a minute. Let me get that loose. Alright, y'all, I had to, you take the light on too. I had to pull the motor forward some, so I tied it to the bump of the Tahoe and scrapped it on the mount right there, the frame. So I get me a little room to get my hands back here to get to this plug. And we only take it off one at a time. If you didn't know, you only take off one plug at a time. Matter of fact, y'all, I'm gonna go get my gloves because I don't want to mess my hands up. Pause. Alright, I'm back, man. Get my gloves on.
Safety
grip
first.
We're gonna see. I've been cutting my hands up lately. I can't afford to keep doing that. That damn wire still hard to come on. That damn wire stopped. Man, keep in mind, that thing been on this since 08. We ain't checked plugs in thing since 2008. 2008. I'm gonna have to take these gloves off. I can't get no grip with them. These things been on since 2008, so I don't know. That plug might be stuck on that shit. Man, I promise you, this thing is not budging. Well, I done broke the plug, so it got to come out now. I mean the wire. That's why I cannot get a grip. Y'all think it melted on there?
No, might have.
Hey, see, could you pull it off with your hand? I'm gonna let Tim pull it off, man. See, can he pull it off? Because I still ain't got no room. See, can he pull it off with his hand? I'll show you which one. You'll see it. It's by itself now.
Who's one?
This one. It's by itself. Ain't got no cord to it. It's rubber. Let me get right here and show y'all. See that plug right here? You don't feel like wrong? You got it?
Yeah, bro.
Try to pull it out, yeah. Oh, let me see what you doing. Way down here, Tim. Yeah, that right there. Try to pull it off straight up.
But it's on not budging, boy.
I know it. I gotta work with it then. Alright, y'all. Let me work with that thing, man. I knew it was gonna come into some problem with that short stuff back there. But I said distributor earlier, I meant core pack. I'll get it right in a minute, but we finna try to get this thing off and I'll get back with y'all in a second. Alright, y'all, so the next result, we're gonna try to make some kind of noose to wrap that down small plug wire and pull it out with this shoe screen. Don't know how well it worked, never tried before. Just taking it, trying to guess some, cause it's really rough. Damn, pop it loose. Ain't gonna lie, y'all, we made this in Boy Scout. I told y'all I did a lot when I was growing up. Boy Scout, making knots. Then I used to hang deer for my dad and them. For the hunting club. So, ain't go with nothing, let's try it. It's budging, but it ain't. Dang, this thing is stuck, man. Whoa. It's stuck. Cause I got a good grip on this shoe screen. This thing's stuck, bro. We'll just get back with y'all in a minute, man. We gotta figure it out some kind of way. All right, y'all, this is what I got.
Pull it too far.
Oh. We'll get started in a minute, man. Get back with y'all in a minute. Get back with y'all in a minute.
He said them boy could have ran off on me.
All right, y'all. Hope I got this. Finally, you got to record.
Yeah.
Hope I got this damn socket. I just hope I'm sweating like a dog. I know it's a how to do, but sometimes shit, I'm how to do it myself. This thing ain't been out here since 08. And it's 2006 model car. Gonna be a headache somewhere.
No country did like a baller boy and then.
Tim, you could have. Y'all, look, I had a big problem getting the spark plug out, but I'm blaming it on Advanced Auto this time. When I ordered all this stuff a while back, they put the wrong spark plug socket in the box. They put a 916 spark plug socket, and it won't ever fit. And I said, no, it costs you to have a 5.8, because all my other trucks got 5.8, and I had to go get my 5.8 used. So I'm taking that thing back to Advance in a minute, not to get my money, just to get the 5.8 one. But yeah, that's a lot of work. And getting to this spark plug, man, it's a lot of work too. It ain't just that easy. I thought it was gonna be easy because it's this V6 motor. No. Finally got it out. If y'all want to see up close, this is what 2008 looked like. Actually, it still was firing on all cylinders, but I just know it's time. It's time to redo them. But that's one out, man. And so, I guess we're gonna learn how to fast forward this and let y'all see the whole process later. We're back. Finally got my spark plug off and on with the new one. Trying to push it down so I can hit it snap. All right, that one snap.
Chicken we have with my booty.
The real bad kid.
Chicken with my hair and with my shawty.
All right, we're gonna take another one out.
Yeah, because they probably stop at 10:30, like 10:34 now.
Oh shoot, here come another hard one, y'all. Man, we're gonna have to get back with y'all in a minute. These things tough.
Pray for it.
All right, y'all. Finally got the first three out the back. This is my last one out the three. And I promise you, this ain't no easy task. I see why shops charge you a lot to do tune-ups and change plugs and wires. Man, it's tight. They shouldn't charge that much. I ain't saying they should charge that much, but this the tight little area, man. And then the way these lines been on there for so long, they was stuck. They was adjacent to the spark plug. Hard to come off. But I finally got them. These plugs really bad, but not really bad. But this car wasn't doing them, but may shake a little bit, rattle a little bit, but they weren't really like all out of control, doing nothing crazy. But it's just time for a tune-up, man. Since we had the car since 08, it's a 2006, so 9 times 10 probably had a tune-up in 08, and that's 13 years ago. So I'm quite sure it needed one now. And then plus, you can tell by the gas mile, it wasn't getting good gas mileage, so it's just that time, y'all. So we're gonna make this happen. Like I said, I could film the front because it'd probably be much easier than the back. I'll get back with y'all in a minute. All right, we're in the front, man. Tim already matched this one up. Oh, yeah, just clean. Tim, put that on the camera. That thing ain't that hard. Oh, yeah, you hard, boy. Then them T-top, they would make it really, real hard. Then that joke already got music in it and everything.
Yeah, beat like that be song, huh?
We're in the front now, y'all, so we're gonna get these on out. It's a hot, yeah. Oh, it's great. We're gonna get to the front. The front much easier, y'all, so shit. I ain't gotta be looking like no damn fool fighting in the back. My hand too big and it's kind of tight back there for real. But that saved $300 doing this damn tune-up. You know what I mean? So
That's
We're gonna keep fighting with it, you know what I mean? Shit.